61A, lecture number 22, announcements. Homework 6 is posted. It's pretty short. It covers material from today's lecture as well as past lectures on object-oriented programming. And it's due the same week that the ANTS project is due. The reason these are both due is to make sure that you're keeping up with the lecture material, because falling behind in lecture makes this course difficult, so please don't do that. For the ANTS project, Phase 1 is due today, Phase 2 next Tuesday, and you get early submission bonus point for finishing by next Thursday. We will have project parties next week to help you out, both on Monday and Wednesday. Notice that we pick days for the project parties that are not the deadlines, so that you start early, which is what I recommend. The staff will do its best to keep up with ed questions, so if you're working over the weekend and you get stuck, please ask there or come into office hours on Monday. Today's lecture will investigate how composition, which is when one object has another object as its attribute value, can be used to create recursive objects like trees. In fact, we'll revisit trees, which we already learned about, and find that using a class dedicated to trees simplifies our code a little bit. But everything that we learned about trees already still applies, just with a little bit of extra dot notation.